This video is made adult collectors for age 30 plus. Viewer description is advised. What is up guys, it is your boy Michael here. Welcome back to an unboxing review. So today we're going to the new Jollibee kids meal. It is called Jolli kitchen set. So this one here, it is my favorite two of them. But I don't have anything yum burger for this. I want to custom buy for this one in the restaurant in the Philippines. So today we're going to take a first look at this one. This Chickenjoy warmer and a Jolli crispy fries fryer. And you guys see this one here. So first off, we need the Chickenjoy warmer. So we got this on instructions, and you gotta choose all of them in this. Or this one, this is called clay. We got tongs, bucket, and the warmer. We got this one, and we got the Jolli crispy fries fryer. And then also we got the used things. So this is the one we got the fries packaging with paper with using back onto the stickers inside. So this is fryer and the clay. You get this one is you gotta remove for the stickers. So with this one you gotta put it on the clay in the French fries, whatever. You can complete your Jolli kitchen set like this one. So this one here. Anyways, we got the Yum Burger Grill. We got the other one with this one, the Choco Sundae station. We got the Jolli drinks dispenser. Yeah, we got this one, Jolli cash register. Okay, so we got to collect all of them in the Jolli kitchen set. This is one of my favorite. Anyways guys, I'm so really disappointed for this buy for this one, because the rainy season is so really bad day, and it got sick. Okay, so let's get the first one. We need Jolli Chickenjoy warmer. Okay, so this one to call whatever to call it is, and I'm really obviously now I'm really getting the one. Okay, so let's get this one first off. This first off. Oh, we got the wow. What is it? Clay. This we got the clay. This one. Oh shoot. Oh my goodness. So anyways, we got second one. So let's try this one. I hope you enjoy this one. And then ooh, hey, we got a back on the side here. Oh, this plastic bag of this one on here. We gotta remove this one. Okay, so okay, we got this one. Anyways, we got the Jollibee here. This one, this is warmer. You got the opening for this one. You gotta put the clay that's on around here. And oh, that was pretty cute. I love it. This is how much design with Chickenjoy design, and this one. Oh, sorry, my bad. And I got this one. The bucket list. And you guys, they put the Chickenjoy, and it's my favorite. Look at those. That was the coolest thing I ever seen. And we got it there. You gotta put in Chickenjoy with this one, whatever you want. We got tongue. You gotta clip this one. Oh. So pretty nice, but this looks like in the action figures a miniature. Oh, they got the clay, whatever, just those things, and it gets Chickenjoy. So we're gonna put it on the side. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. I'll get this one, and we get back at LED lights, this battery. So this put in here. We've got to remove this. Got to turn it on. Oh, you guys see that? The lights on, and this warmer, this like this one. Hey, look at those. You gotta turn it on, turn it off, whatever you want. You got Jollibee logo. This one looks like the restaurant version of the Philippines. Okay, so let's open this one, the clay. Looks like the Play-Doh or something. Okay, I'm gonna put it in. So whatever those things. Okay. Oh wait, so you gotta open it. Yeah, whatever. So let me in. Alright, putting in. I don't think with actually the kind of this really so much really this one. We got it looks like Play-Doh. What the? You got it. Okay. Stinky. Ugh. So we're gonna put in this Chickenjoy in the bucket. Okay. Putting it in. Chickenjoy just whoever. Wow, this is a really awful design. It's so much crazy. This one. I'm gonna put the clay though. This one. Put the clay on. Chickenjoy, and the bucket list in this one. I don't know how much anything so much. This is so kind of literally love Jollibee in the Philippines. Literally offer. That's not around, and Just a little to this front. So we got this little program here. Oh, so cute. I love this. How much the Chickenjoy. Okay, so let's put it on, fix this, and we gotta see that. Okay, well, we got the phone, and then push it on. Oh wow, you guys see that? Well, we gotta take it off. Oh, that's pretty cute. Oh, this design looks so fire. You know how much what it is? It just looks like that. Anyways, oh, so we got swap it out. We got that see. So we got Chickenjoy right here. Oh, so cute. And putting the back on. Whatever you like. Oh wait. I'm so good. This is why I love it, Chickenjoy. It is Play-Doh. This looks like, and oh, this Chickenjoy is so really good. Hey, look at that. It's so cute though. Oh wow! And I put it in here on. Put it in. Oh. Okay, so light it up. Putting it on. Turn it on. You got a warmer, whatever you like. Hey, whoa. We got 5 seconds. Hey, look at those. Hey, okay. I'm gonna put it on here. So pretty cute. And you guys see this one here and the not, so that's why I love Chickenjoy looks like. Yeah, you guys see. So we got this back. That's pretty cute. I like that. Alright, so let's get it with the first. Secondly, we have the Jolli crispy fries fryer, and it looks like pretty amazing. You got a fryer with something, and they got the wow, that was so gorgeous. It looks so good, like the restaurant was in the Philippines. And they got this color gray, black, and this one in colorful, and then we got stickers and Jolli crispy fries, and this one it's called French fries. And this was the we got a pudding on here. So this one, anyways, we got the basket. We got a clay filter with the I don't know what this is. This is called the basket. It's called a basket, and this one the everyday. So we gotta put in French fries under something. You gotta put the push on this one. So we got this one, just like the action figures and toys, and the childhood kits. And this kid's toys. It looks so good, and it's my favorite. So we got it with this French fries dryer, or the everything with the clay. So this is called clay. I don't know how much anything this one here. Okay, so let's get the pudding in. Be careful with it, and let's look. I don't know how much anything to do this. I'm so slow in this one. This raining is so, and this one here. I don't know how much anything to talk with this mountain Jollibee and with a caution right here. With the okay, so they got put thing here. Oh wow, I have no idea what's going on here. So we got this clay half, and putting a French fries. So we got to putting in, and the clay. You got to pushing on this round. Okay, so let's get push in. Oh wow, I'm gonna put the Caesar on. My bad. And this one here. Squeeze it in. Oh my goodness, that was so crazy. We move on. Oh wow, that's wow here. This mini fries, and I don't know what this talking about, and so with the I don't know what this it's so small. We gotta put it in. We gotta put it back on here. And so I got this one. Oh, we got some small French fries. Oh dear, what have you done to me? Okay, so let's get it fully in, squeeze it in, and let's get it back onto French fries. What is this target with this one? Squeezing in, push in. Oh, there we go. Yes. So small. That's too bigger. That's better. on this one here, and we got that one. So French fries look so big. Oh, look at those clay. That's French fries that look so amazing. Alright, I'm gonna put thing out of at this one here with the French. So packaging of the Jolly crispy fries, it looks so pretty amazing. So we got this one. I'm not a fan of the stickers on this one here, so we gotta remove the stickers on here. Out it in. Looks so gorgeous. So really good for this the kids toys. This is adult collectors. Not for kids. Okay. Putting it in the back on here. Oh, I'm gonna flip it on. Flip it on. You got this, and put it back in the bottom. So this right here, yeah, that's pretty easy. Alright, so putting it in, and we got the Jolly crispy fries. It looks so pretty good, and this looks printed. I don't know how much anything this one flyers, and this one I really messed up with this with the clay. This one here with it like the play dough, and it's for kids. And so putting in the joy. Oh wow, how is it even? Oh my god, we move it. It's completely. It's so much really beautiful drawing for this the Jollibee anything in one of the French fries are putting it in. Oh my goodness, looks so gorgeous. I just pulled it in. I must have loved this. So we got to put it in and try it on. So wow, that is so really amazing with this kids toys in this one here for the Philippines. And that's how much anything so much really imagine how many times we're waiting on and putting that on. Fix this. I don't know how much anything does not fits in this one because there's too much that fits. And putting clay on, and there we go. That's one. And so looks good with everything. So I got it this one here. This one, the basket of this one there, and my clay, it's really messed up. I don't think what it actually looks pretty good. And this is my messed up at this one here. So we need to clean up this, okay? And so joyfully, anyways, I'm really loving it, exciting for this one here. So putting on here, and talking about this one here. Really good. So this is really lovely with the Jollibee Kids Meal, Jolly Kitchen set with the Chickenjoy warmer and the Jolly Crispy Fries Fire. It looks so pretty good, and I love it. This is how much in miniature, like the action figures, and the size comparison with the B127 right there. So this one here, oh, that's me. We gotta putting in this guy. Whoa, looks so amazing. Anyone here, and that's me, and I love those things. It is my favorite. So I'm gonna this one the Jollibee Kids Meal with the anyway. So the Jolly Kitchen set looks so really amazing kids toys in the Philippines, in the world. And to talk about this one here, I love it how much they need with the Chickenjoy warmer, like a ton, and a warmer machine, and they got this opening the lights on, and it's only got a warmer for the put in the clay, and this color orange. It looks so amazing. That's the greatest thing I've ever seen. We got Jolly Crispy Fries Fire. It looks so. We got this one, the basket with the holder with the stickers on the side. It's colorful design, and it looks like the restaurant in the Philippines right there. So they got a cooking, and they gotta get the order right now. So I'm gonna buy for this and on this one here, and I'll be enjoying with this. Looks so pretty amazing. So I'm gonna give you with the Chickenjoy one is to give it a 9 out of 10. It looks so amazing with this one here, and we got with this tons of the anything with the colorful. We're gonna put it on the clay here, and there's so really love the kids toys in the Philippines right here. And then we got the Jolly Crispy Fries Fire. I'm gonna give you the 8.5 out of 10. That was so amazing. This is one of the one here, and you guys see. So I'm gonna clean this one here, but we got no. I think never mind. We gotta hold it with this right here, and I got that. Try this one, and we gotta clay with this one, or the yellow for this and those things. So I gotta not done this anything, not yet use this for this, but it's not fully this one the French fries or something, and it Playmates toys, and this one here from the kids toys. This is adult collectors for the age 30 plus. I love this how much in Jollibee, and it's one of the best one here. So I'm gonna this one with the size with the Sound Wave Action Edition and TF Prime, Optimus Prime. So this size looks so really good. Anyways, you got this. See, that's pretty amazing though. Okay. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching for this video. Leave it a like it and subscribe to the channel notification bells for the notified for the latest videos. Follow us on social media so you guys see it on, and let me know in the comments down below what's your favorite next on the toys review and unboxing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you join us. See you there on my next video. Bye. Peace.